I'm not sure what down here is my relay that runs the blinkers. But I'm out of blinker fluid. I was driving out here, my turn signals weren't working. I'm not sure which relay it is. I think it might be that one. I don't know. I have no idea. Relay right here. It's not actually. Is that my blinker relay? Looks like a regular relay. I don't know what that is. It's not attached. Right. Well, I located the relay that runs the turn signals, and it seems to be leaking. I don't understand that at all. I don't know if I got condensation in it from the heating and cooling, or if I got another problem with water leaking in some place and it actually came down the wires and into the relay, but because the relay was mounted upside down, so. But yeah, there seems to be water coming out of it, so no wonder it stopped working. Oh, so now I gotta find an auto parts store that has one. We'll see if I can figure that one out today. Well, I'm on my way up to the next stop. Oh boy. Adventures. Yeah. But this is the relay, but yeah, it's not supposed to have water coming out of it when I tip it right side up here. That is just wild. Alright. We'll see if we can find another one though. Wish I knew what the pinout was. Wish if I could just short 2 pins in that thing there and at least keep the lights on solid and I can manually flick the turn signal. I don't know if that's an option or not though. I left the campground at the Dunkin' Donuts right down the road. I got my usual breakfast sandwich, the bacon, the hash browns. So, good food. Next thing I gotta do is I gotta go find myself an auto parts store and see if I can get a new turn signal relay. I gotta get there safely without a functioning turn signal. That's gonna be fun. Okay, I'm in Concord now, just pulling into the shopping center where the AutoZone is. So,
turn left, then turn left.
Hopefully they'll have the part I need. There's no guarantees, but it should be a fairly standard part, so should be
take the next left.
Should be easy right to replace. Okay, so AutoZone's right up there. Right. Yeah, I know, I found it already. Looking for a safe place to pull in. There's a pin. Alright. Let's see. Perfect. One more. Alright. Yeah, I gotta get a front-facing camera on this van again so you guys can see where I'm going. Alright. Let's see if they got the part. Alright, I ended up having to go to up the road to Advanced Auto Parts because AutoZone didn't have it. So, not an exact replacement, it's an aftermarket LED compatible one, but it should hopefully work. Let's find out. Should just plug right in. Like so. And it just fell out again. Again. Okay. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we got that done. Next goal is to start working my way up to the Walmart in Tilton, because I do not have enough butane fuel to keep the stove going for the whole trip here, so I need to be able to cook too. So make sure this microphone here, you guys are hearing me okay? There we go. All right, so let's punch that into the navigation next. All right, 20 miles. All right, let's go. Oh, this is definitely a bit more of an adventure than I had anticipated. And now I have an LED compatible turn signal relay, so I can upgrade to LED lights if I want. Doesn't blink quite as fast though. I made it safely to the Walmart. We have turn signals at work again, so that's all good. So like I said, I'm just here for some butane fuel and it'll be on our way. I think right now I'm leaning towards just heading up to Hancock Campground rather than Barnes Field again. It's an hour extra drive and it's already almost 2 o'clock. But I'll get the shopping done here at Walmart quickly and we'll get back on the road. Okay, so Walmart is done. So next stop is the campground. So we gotta decide where we're gonna go. We've got Hancock Campground and we've got Barnes Field. So let's start with the weather forecast. We got the forecast for Lincoln, New Hampshire. See, currently in Lincoln it's 15, currently in Gorham it's 16. So it's a slightly warmer in Gorham at the moment, which is kind of strange. Snow heavy at times for at least 60 minutes. Ooh, that's going to be a problem. All right, let's see, daily forecast. High 17, low 14 today. High 26, low 17 tomorrow. And high 26, low 17 Saturday. A little bit on the chilly side and still windy. So 17 and 14, 26 and 17. All right, let's see what let's see what Gorham looks like now for the next couple days. This is the thought process we get to go through here when we're planning some of these types of trips. Let's see, Gorham, snow for at least 60 minutes. I'm going to be driving right into some good snow without snow tires. Lovely. Daily forecast. Let's see, Gorham, high 18, low 13. About the same, within a degree. Strong winds developing cold with a little snow accumulating to a coating to an inch. Oh joy. And Friday, high 24, low 18. Again, slightly warmer. It's kind of surprising, but all right. Windy and not as cold with low clouds. And then Saturday, 25 and 19. A little snow at times. Okay, so I guess it doesn't really matter. They're about the same. Sounds like Gorham might be a little windier though. All right. So let's see drive times from where I am now. So let's see, I'm at the Walmart in Tilton. So I want to drive to Hancock Campground. Hancock Campground. And that will take me from here about 48 minutes, about 50 miles. Not too bad. I'll be there before 3. Depending on what the weather's like, of course. Now, if I wanted to go, say, to Barnes Field from here, Barnes Field Group Campground. Now we're looking at an hour and 43 minutes, 97 miles, and now we're looking at closer to 4. We're going to Hancock Campground. That's where we're headed. Hancock Campground it is. What a difference a little distance makes. It's a winter wonderland out here. Look at that sky. Nice sunset. And you got the moon right up there too. A beautiful picture right there. Yep, just going down to pick up an envelope so I can pay for my stay here. And check out the campground. We're doing the whole loop around. See if there's anybody else here. I mean, this site's reserved, but there's nobody here at the moment. Oh, yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm coming back with the paper anyway. I was going to go back and check, see what site I have, but I'm just going to go get the envelope and bring it back to the end, fill it out, and stuff the money in it. Don't have the exact amount of money I need. Whoa. It's going to be fun driving out of here a couple days. I don't have the exact amount of money I need, so they're going to get a $1 donation, unfortunately. It's $27 a night, so it means it'll be $54 for 2 nights. I only have one, so I'm gonna have to get $55. Oh, Site 39 was available. That's okay. I wanted the better cell service. Much as I like being closer to the river down here. Ooh, it's also windier down here too. Interesting. Pretty sunset tonight though. It sure is cold here though. So after I get back from paying for this, I'm probably just going to settle in the van for the night, make some dinner, and watch some YouTube or a movie or who knows what else. Lots to watch. Also, I got to do some video editing. I got a video I got to put together. See if I can get that released tomorrow while I'm on the road. That'll be fun. Yeah, it's quite different here right now. So we're going to do something a little different for dinner tonight. We have pierogies. Somewhere in here there's some sausages too. Let me see if I can find those too. And here comes the heat again. There we go. Pierogies and sausages. Very different dinner. Not quite an Italian, oh boy, Italian, yeah. Not quite a Polish dinner because these aren't Polish kielbasa or anything. These are just cheddar and bacon sausages. But these are just the regular basic store brand pierogies. But we had some leftover pierogies, so I figured, why not? Yeah, the furnace needs some work. Now I gotta remember where I put my olive oil. Okay, I found my olive oil. So yeah, it should be a fairly easy dinner to make. All in one pan. Put a nice coat of olive oil on it. Everything's just going to get cooked in the one pan together. Should be a simple and easy dinner. I'm looking forward to it. Right now we're drawing over 8 amps of power at the moment. Fridge and the furnace are both running. I'm going to saute the hair out of there. Saute the pierogies in the olive oil. 6 pierogies and 2 sausages. Well, it doesn't need high heat, we want low heat. Put the sausages in too at the same time. What the heck, just put it all in the same pan together. And put the cover on. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now the pierogies themselves need some topping, so I'm just going to use some of the olive oil that's in the bottom of the pan already. Pour a little bit on. Actually, you guys can't see what I'm doing, can you? You can do something about that. There we go. Now you can see what I'm doing here. So I'll just put some of the little bit of the olive oil on the pierogies. So they're not too dry. I don't really have any other topping. I should have gotten some sour cream for them or something, but get the stove out of the way. I'm burning myself. Oh. Oops. Okay, in the dish here. Let's see how this came out. Mm. 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 Sausage isn't quite as good as if it was cooked on the fire pit, but it's not bad. See how the pierogies came out. A little dry. Okay. It might have been because they've been stored in the freezer for a while too, so it was an open box that was in the freezer that I just grabbed the contents of, so it may have dried out in the freezer. It may not be my fault. Yep, a little on the dry side, but not bad. I think this is where we're going to end today's video. I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me eat my dinner. And I'm pretty much just going to settle in the van for tonight. Yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to do that and watch some YouTube videos, maybe a movie, I don't know, but that's about it. So we're going to start the next video tomorrow morning. So thanks for coming along for this crazy adventure here, trying to go out around to different auto stores, trying to find a flasher relay, and Walmart, and everything else I had to do to get up here. So let's see. To get here today, I left Spacious Skies French Pond, stopped at Dunkin' Donuts for breakfast, Then I stopped at AutoZone. Then I stopped at Advanced Auto Parts. Then I stopped at Walmart. Then I stopped at Irving because I needed gas. I didn't put that on video. And then finally I got to the campground, and that was a little bit of an adventure just getting here because there was just a layer of snow on the ground, and I know I don't have good tires. I wanted to buy a set of new tires before this winter could set in, but just didn't have the money for it. Story of my life, but maybe these these employment changes that are coming up may lead to something better for me. I don't know. It's nice to have a little bit of money to be able to buy some stuff for the van and that, rather than everything going to pay for bills, and what little bit I've got left just enough to cover the trips. So hopefully we can work it out though, so I can continue these adventures, because if I ended up having to work 40 hours a week and having to put in for time off, or like just have 2 weeks of paid vacation time, I'm not going to enjoy it. I'm going to be miserable. I need these adventures. I absolutely do. I'm not a full-time work, corporate office type person. It's just not me. This is the life I enjoy. So, too much of a free spirit for that. We'll see what happens. Anyway, I'm going to eat my dinner, and then I'm going to relax for the night. So, remember, slow down, enjoy life, and your pierogies, and always be kind. We'll talk to you guys later.